Alright, so you guys didn't think I was just gonna talk all that game and then not follow it up with something useful, did you? Well, anyways, I'm working on this script for a 3-hour NetSuite breakdown. NetSuite is the cloud system developed by Oracle that, a starter plan on that is 775 grand a year. So those are the companies that use NetSuite. I'm going to teach you the object model and the principles behind an ERP system using NetSuite to demonstrate. And then I'm going to show you how to replicate NetSuite with much more affordable tools. I'm talking like 10,000x, right? Like less than 10,000 a year versus 775k a year. So what is that? That's like 1/7. No, 1/7 would be 70. So 1/700th. 1/700th. Okay, so just look at this. This app is called NoteJoy. It's basically Evernote, just you have folders and notes and then the content in here. Like these are all my strategy notes, which are basically just rough. Like look at this. This is all the stuff that I have as my source of content because I wrote it down as I was studying this stuff. This is really technical shit. But using custom text fields, all this stuff is important, right? So I basically over like 3 years I took notes from all the systems that I was studying, and look at that. So this is going to be the source of my content. But what I wanted to show you is for my business. I was telling you about, yeah. So those are my strategy notes. Look at this. I have ERP Sensei, and look at this. This is how I keep track of people I'm thinking of hiring. First of all, this is my process. This is not very structured data, so like I have to take this information and put it into a more structured system. But what I want to show you is the service plans. Okay, so this is for one department. Okay, so these are the services that I've thought up based on how I've seen work be structured in the companies that I've worked for and on like freelancer sites that also provide these services. I look at the prices they're charging and I look at the prices that I've seen, and I think about the amount of work. Obviously, in this division, I have a lot more to do with like structure, pricing, like job order templates and shit like that. So my ecom service plans. So for every division, you gotta have service plans. Look how much more developed these are. I actually have prices. I have descriptions of each of the services. And when I build out my e-commerce site, I can just basically copy. I gotta elaborate them a little more and make them a little more attractive. This is a little too technical for like a product page, but this gives me the skeleton. You know what I'm saying? Ward SaaS, that's my other division. So this is not, it's not very organized over here. I think I hit the wrong button. Oh no, that's my JV. So this is my JV brokering USP. It's my unique sales proposition. And then over here, service plans. These are like proprietary types of things. If you see these things here, they got fancy names: Browser Instincts, Rolodex Rapidi. You see those are like Rhapsody, and then consolidated billing, where I manage if someone's using multiple SaaS apps, I basically process their billing for them. But Browser Instincts and Rolodex Rhapsody, they're not just like generic like Fiverr job descriptions. You know what I mean? They're kind of like I add my own sexy twist to them to make them more appealing and more marketable. Anyways, I hope that helped you guys.